If you grew up watching Stadium Truck or Baja racing, well, I'm happy to let you know that Ford has made their own version that's street legal with the 2021 F-150 Raptor. Hi, this is Joe from Scarff Ford, and today let's talk about this 21 F-150 Raptor, which for the 2021 model year is all new. And me, I'm not just speaking in hyperbole. Read some automotive reviews, what the press has to say, Motor Trend, Car and Driver, what they have to say about the 2021 F-150 Raptor, and you'll see them describe it just as I have. Pretty much a street legal stadium truck or Baja racer, obviously within reason. And for the 2021 model year, it's all new, better than ever. And okay, it might be October of 2025, so I guess it's not all new. It's a few years old. Many like me would love to buy a brand new car, but they just are a little without reach in what you want to get. So a lot of us go onto the used market to find vehicles. You know what the #1 recycled thing in the world is? It's cars. A lot of people buy used cars versus new cars. So if you enjoy used car reviews and walkarounds, check out our YouTube page, subscribe. Of course, we have lots of new car reviews. We sell new Fords and Isuzus. So let's dive into this 2021 Raptor that was all new for the 2021 model year. The one thing that makes the Raptor unique is the impressive long travel suspension. If we take a look at the suspension in this Raptor over here, and these suspensions on these more common run-of-the-mill F-150s, you can see that there is a big difference. Obviously, these are still fantastic, capable trucks. The Ford engineers have done with the suspension is remarkable. This thing is capable of getting air, taking small jumps, obviously within reason. You don't want to go crazy, but you can do it, you know, not on the street. And where the F-150 Tremor is kind of designed to excel at rock crawling, obviously this can rock crawl too. It has a rock crawling mode, but this thing really excels at high-speed desert racing, going in the dunes. With its wide track, it has amazing high-speed stability. With its amazing terrain management system, this thing can go very fast off-road. We have a twin-turbo V6. It sounds amazing through its low restriction 3-inch exhaust, which you can change the sound of it with a drive mode selector. We have a massive wheel and tire package. You can also see for 2021 in the Raptor, there are no longer any leaf springs on the rear. It's a completely coil spring rear suspension, a little more sophisticated. So with this long travel suspension, you do have to make sacrifices. With this cushy suspension is designed to absorb jumps and stuff like that. It can accept a lot of trailer tongue weight, so that pretty much limits you to about 8,000 pound tow rating versus about 13,000 pounds with the regular F-150 when properly equipped with the biggest engine and the best tow package. Obviously, if towing and off-road prowess are important to you, and you don't need to do the high-speed desert racing and jumping, you can look upon the Tremor version of the F-150, which is very capable off-road as well, but like I said, that's more geared towards like low-speed rock crawling, where this thing is designed for more high-speed off-roading, desert running, jumps, whoop-de-doos, things like that. Visually, there's also a pretty big difference with the Raptor versus a regular F-150 we have here. Then a glance from the front end, obviously different styling on the front end, a much wider track for amazing high-speed stability and handling. For an engine, we have a 3.5-liter V6 tuned to 450 horsepower. Sounds amazing, very quick. It's like having a sports car, but it's also a family vehicle, a tow rig. It's got a pickup bed, so you could get like a Mustang GT, which is faster, but you can do a lot more with this versus a Mustang GT. A dark horse Mustang can go around a racetrack really fast, but with this Raptor, you have a pickup bed, you can tow up to 8,000 pounds, and you have a space for your family, and it's a great commuter vehicle. Lots of space back here, rear heated seats, beautiful leather interior. You can flip the seats up as like this for additional storage, and then we have this collapsible storage compartment right here, where you can make a little storage area underneath the seats so things aren't going to roll around. Nice side steps make it easier to get in and out. This thing's pretty high up off the ground. We have a nice big twin panel moonroof to allow lots of natural light inside. It opens. You have this sunshade to dim things down if it's too bright out, but nice. We're in a nice shady spot right here. These perforated leather and suede trim seats are very comfortable, very supportive. We have a 10-speed automatic transmission. If we hit this button right here, the shifter goes flush with the center console, allowing you to flip the center console lid over like this, creating like a little work surface table. You can put your laptop here. Maybe if you're eating some McDonald's or Burger King, you can lay it out all right here. Pretty good idea. It's kind of like a mobile office. You know, Ford, they are pickup truck experts. We have heated and ventilated front seats, huge screen for the infotainment system that has Microsoft Sync 4, which is still pretty up-to-date infotainment system as of 2025. Rear parking camera. We have the Pro Trailer Backup Assist. This will actually back the truck up and align with the trailer hitch. Really cool stuff. It's almost like magic. You have these steering wheel paddle shifters so you can take control of those 10-4 gears. You have this nice leather wrapped steering wheel with the red right there in the center. Great sounding B&O audio system. Completely digital gauge cluster. We have an integrated trailer brake controller. You can operate the four-wheel drive system, so you have two-wheel drive high, four-wheel drive auto, and four-wheel drive low range. And then we can twist this dial around for different drive modes. So we have slippery for slippery conditions, and you'll see that that's shifting it into four-wheel drive. And depending on which drive mode, the gauge cluster might have a different appearance as well. Then we have tow haul. We have sport mode. We can also see that it'll put it in four-wheel drive for sport mode to put that power to the ground most efficiently. We have normal mode. Does deep snow and sand. You can see again it's shifting into four-wheel drive. It's also locking the rear differential and shutting the traction control system off, which is preferable in off-road conditions. Then we have Baja mode. And then lastly, we have raw crawl, which this can do. Obviously with a wider track, it's not gonna fit on trails as easily as smaller vehicles. That's where the tremor might be a little bit better in tight off-road situations. But if you are not worried about, scraping some brush or you have a pretty wide trail, then that won't be an issue. And we can see with raw crawl mode, of course, it wants to put it in four-wheel drive low range. We have these nice auxiliary upfitter switches. Then if we hit this button right here, we have trail control, which allows for one pedal driving. So that's basically like cruise control for going off-road. So it will maintain a nice, slow, even speed. So you don't have to worry about modulating the throttle and the brakes. You can focus on steering the vehicle, looking for obstacles. Well, thanks for joining me on this walk around of this beautiful 2021 Raptor. We actually took this one on trade for a Raptor R. Can't blame the people for upgrading. As nice as the regular Raptor is, the Raptor R has over 700 horsepower with that amazing 5.2 liter Predator V8 and those amazing V8 sounds, but they're also a lot more money. So if you don't need 700 plus horsepower, the regular Raptor is more than fine with 450 horsepower. It's an amazing high performance truck. And it's like a Swiss Army knife of vehicles. It can be fun on the street, fun off-road. It's utilitarian. You can take it to Home Depot and fill it up with stuff. You can tow, you can take your kids to school, you can commute in it. That's really all you need. Well, thanks for watching. We are Scarff Ford. We've been in business 103 years, probably serving the greater Seattle Tacoma area, located in Auburn, Washington. We sell new Fords, new Isuzus, and a very wide variety of pre-owned vehicles. Of course, a lot of pre-owned Raptors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.